In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file associations in Adobe Bridge. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tell Bridge which application should open each file type, so your workflow feels consistent and efficient. First, let's quickly clarify what file associations are. In Bridge, a file association is simply the rule that says which application launches when you open a certain file type from within Bridge. For example, you might want .jpg and .png images to open in Photoshop, while vector files open in Illustrator. Changing these associations doesn't alter your system-wide defaults, it just affects what happens when you open files from Bridge. Start by opening Preferences. On Windows, go to the Edit menu and choose Preferences. This opens the Preferences dialog, which is where Bridge stores most of its global settings. In the sidebar of the Preferences window, select File Type Associations. In some newer versions, this might be labeled just Associations. You'll see a long list with file extensions on the left, things like .jpg, .png, and .psd, and on the right, the application that Bridge will use to open them. Think of this as your master list of Bridge-specific Open With rules. Next, find the file type you want to change. Scroll through the list until you locate the extension you're targeting. When you see it, click the application name in the right column. That click opens a drop-down, and this is where you choose the app you want Bridge to use going forward. You can pick from the list if the app you want is already shown, like Photoshop or Illustrator. If the application you prefer doesn't appear, choose Browse. On Windows, navigate to the program's executable file. Selecting the correct executable ensures Bridge knows exactly which app to launch for that file type. If you'd rather not have Bridge automatically open that type at all, choose None. That way, double-clicking won't trigger an app, which can be helpful if you prefer to preview items or decide on the fly. After you've made your selections, save your changes by clicking OK or Apply. Bridge will immediately use your new associations the next time you open a file from within the app. If something doesn't behave as expected, simply return to the same Preferences area and adjust the association again. You can always switch back to a different app later using the same steps. That's it. With a few quick adjustments, you can ensure every file opens where you want it, keeping your creative process smooth and predictable.